Starting a business in the United States is possible even if you don't live there. Every year, thousands of entrepreneurs from different countries open US LLC to sell products, provide services, or run an online business. The process may sound complicated at first, but it is actually much easier when you understand these steps. In this video, I will explain how to open an LLC as a non-US resident, what you need before you start, and how to keep your business running after it's formed. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you grow online using smart tools and easy methods. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to check the link from description for the useful business formation resources that I mentioned in this video. By using description link, any available discount or promotion will be applied automatically. Now let's get into main part of the video. In the online market, there are thousands of LLC formation service available, but this video I am using Taylor brand because it is the easiest and fastest way to create your LLC. First of all, just take the link from description and just create your account. In the market, there are hundreds of LLC formation services available, but today's video I am using Taylor brand because it is the easiest and fastest one. So what you should do, just take the link from description and you will be redirected to the Taylor brand's official page. Then just begin your process by creating your account. After that, just click on this form an LLC, and then the first step is choosing the right state. Many non-US entrepreneurs choose the state like Wyoming or Delaware because they are business friendly and have simple LLC formation process. However, the best state for your business depends on your goals. If you will be operating mainly online, many entrepreneurs choose a state with lower fees and easier ongoing requirements. So for this video, I am selecting the Delaware and clicking just get started. The next step is choosing the business name. Your LLC name must be available in the state where you want to register. Most state websites allow you to search existing business names before you apply. So choose a name that is easy to remember, matches your brand, and follows the state's naming rules. As you know, our business name is Easy Access Tech, then I will click on this continue. Taylor brand will ask you some questions about your business so that they can suggest you the better services. If you don't want to provide any personal information, just click on this escape button. Again, it's saying where are you in your business journey. Basically, these are not that much of important. It's just your personal information. So if you want, then provide the information. Otherwise, click on the escape. Basically, I am taking the first step, then clicking next. Have you formed or run a business before? This is my first time. Click next. How many owners will your LLC have? Basically, just me for now. Clicking next. It's just a simple question. And here is an important part. Based on your answer, let us build your free Taylor business plan. So Taylor brand will suggest you to buy a business plan, which is for free. Make sure you will go with this one. I want a business plan for better formation in your LLC. Clicking next again. Then if you are already created your account, then you will be redirected to the next step, but I didn't log in my account, so it's saying me to log in. So let's log in my account. Okay, so we are logged into our account. Just give it some time to be loaded. Next thing is define if you want to get your EIN number or not. Basically, after your LLC is approved in the future, you will need an EIN, an employer identification number, that also called an EIN, that is issued by the IRS. It is similar to a business tax ID and is required for many business activities, including opening a business bank account and working with payment processors. Even if you don't have a US social security number, non-US residents can still apply for the EIN. So choose the one that you want an EIN. So keep it as it is, get my EIN to protect my identity, then click next. Next thing is the LLC compliant. You will need to submit the required information documents to the state and pay the filing fee. Some people complete this process themselves, while others use an online business formation services that prepare the paperwork, file the documents, and helps to manage the registration process. For many beginners, using a trusted service can save time and reduce mistakes. and Taylor brand is doing the work for us. And in this case, we want the service from Taylor brand, and that is why again I will go with this one, keep my LLC compliant, then clicking next. Now Taylor brand has a toolkit that includes a domain, logo creation, website creation, and online stores. Now, if you want this kind of essential tools, then you can go with this one, get the toolkit. But obviously, this will charge you more. But if you don't want, or if you don't need the domain, logos, or website, then you can skip this. Just choose this one. I don't want the tools, then click next. Now, to form your LLC, normally it will take up to 14 days. But if you want it immediately, then you can go with this, but it will charge you more. I have my time, so I don't want to pay extra. Then clicking next. Establish your LLC rules with an operating agreement. Every LLC must have a registered agent with a physical address in the state where the business is formed. The registered agent receives the official legal and government documents on behalf of your company. If you don't live in the United States, Taylor Brands can provide this for you as a part of their package. Now select this one, then clicking next. Now let's talk about opening a business bank account. Keeping your business and personal finances separate is very important. A business bank account makes it easier to receive payments, manage expenses, and keep accurate financial records. Some banks require you to visit in the person, while others allow eligible businesses to apply online. And Mercury is this kind of bank, and it comes with Taylor Brands services, and it is included with Taylor brand. So if you want to create your new business bank account in US, then you can create your account for free from the Taylor brand. But I don't want to create the business bank account right now, and it will charge you nothing. Then click on this next button again. So after providing all of your information and choosing the services from Taylor brand, it will ask you to select the plan of Taylor brand. But good news is that you don't need to choose the plan manually. It will select a plan depending on what you selected the earlier steps. So you can see the essential plan, which is $199, that is required to complete all of this process. Then scroll down and you can see this overview. You can control this here. Then click on this continue to payment. Now choose your payment method. Is it card or PayPal? Then click on continue. After that, just submit all of your personal information here and pay with your payment method. Okay, so after completing the payment, you will be redirected to Taylor Brands dashboard, and you can see the LLC formation process from the dashboard. So should you use a business formation service? If you are comfortable handling legal forms yourself, you can file directly with the state. However, many first-time entrepreneurs choose a business formation platform because it can simplify the process by helping you with the name check, document filing, registered agent services, EIN guidance, compliance reminders, and other business setup tasks. This can be especially helpful if you are opening your first US company from another country. The good news is that you don't need to live in the United States to build a US based business. With the right preparation and by following each step carefully, you can legally form an LLC and start serving your customers around the world. And that brings us to the end of today's video. I hope this video helped you to understand how to open an LLC as a non-US resident and made this process much more easier to understand. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe this channel, and check the description for the useful business formation tools and resources. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.